What's up guys, and this is a short clip from my best friend. You know what it is, Wizard Gamer and Happy Gabby Gaming and more. So yeah, for Wizard Gamer, my neighbor, si Aldrin, they're my very best friend till when I was 7 years old, 6 years old I think. No wait, 5 years old, yeah. They're my very best friend, and yeah, they're always being my playmate always on afternoon. So, it's time for Happy Gabby Gaming and more, aka Service Mates. So, hi Darwin, you're my very best friend too, since grade 1 until now, grade 5. We're turning grade 6 and I hope you are my classmate on grade 6. And yeah, please vlog for your puppy, please. And yeah, so that's it for my short clip for my best friends, my two best friends. Yeah, so peace out.